Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about a topic that's near and dear to many of you, especially if you're in the business of dropshipping. That's right, we're going to be discussing whether or not DSers ships internationally. Now, before we dive into the details, let's take a step back and talk about why this is such an important question. After all, if you're a dropshipper, you're likely looking to reach customers all over the world. And if you're using DSers as your supplier, you need to know if they can ship your products to those customers. So, does DSers ship internationally? The answer is yes. In fact, DSers offers a variety of shipping methods to choose from, depending on your needs and budget. This means that you can reach customers in almost any country in the world. But that's not all. DSers also offers a number of other features that make it an attractive option for dropshippers. For example, they offer a wide range of products to choose from, and they have a user-friendly platform that makes it easy to manage your orders. So, if you're looking for a reliable supplier that can help you reach customers all over the world, DSers is a great option. Of course, there are other things to consider when choosing a supplier, such as pricing and shipping times. But if international shipping is important to you, DSers is definitely worth checking out. Now that we've covered the basics, let's take a closer look at some of the specific shipping methods that DSers offers. One of the most popular shipping methods that DSers offers is ePacket. ePacket is a fast and affordable shipping option that's available for many countries around the world. It typically takes 10 to 20 days for packages to arrive via ePacket. Another popular shipping option is AliExpress Standard Shipping. AliExpress Standard Shipping is a bit slower than ePacket, but it's also more affordable. It typically takes 15 to 45 days for packages to arrive via AliExpress Standard Shipping. DSers also offers a number of other shipping methods, such as DHL, FedEx, and UPS. These shipping methods are typically more expensive than ePacket and AliExpress Standard Shipping, but they're also faster. When choosing a shipping method, it's important to consider the cost of shipping, as well as the estimated delivery time. You also need to make sure that the shipping method you choose is available for the country that you're shipping to. Once you've chosen a shipping method, you can simply add it to your order. DSers will then automatically calculate the shipping cost for you. Now that we've covered the basics of how DSers shipping works, let's talk about some of the benefits of using DSers for international shipping. One of the biggest benefits of using DSers is that it's a very affordable shipping option. This is especially true if you choose ePacket or AliExpress Standard Shipping. Another benefit of using DSers is that they offer a wide range of shipping methods to choose from. This means that you can find a shipping method that's right for your needs and budget. Finally, DSers is a very reliable shipping option. They have a good track record of getting orders to customers on time, even if they're shipping to a different country. So, if you're looking for a reliable and affordable way to ship your products internationally, DSers is a great option. In addition to the benefits that we've already discussed, there are a few other things to keep in mind when using DSers for international shipping. First, it's important to be aware that there may be customs fees associated with international shipping. These fees vary from country to country, so it's important to do your research before placing an order. Second, it's important to be patient when shipping internationally. It can take some time for your products to arrive, especially if you're shipping to a faraway country. Finally, it's important to track your orders carefully. This will help you ensure that your products arrive safely and on time. Overall, DSers is a great option for dropshippers who want to reach customers all over the world. They offer a variety of shipping methods to choose from, and they're a reliable and affordable option. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.